All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my MVP canvas or Rogers Game Use piece number 2. So we'll check the time, December 30th at 8:20 p.m. Going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got December 30th at 8:20 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 4. That's not going to work. 4. That's not going to work. Oops. Sorry. Hold on. I hit 3 dice. That's not going to work either. There we go. All right. 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Hank. Spot 8 is your winner. So, Hank, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 30th, 8:21 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.